Hi, welcome to Azariah's Fiber Arts. My name is Sarah, and I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Fiber Arts. Hit the like or subscribe button anytime while you're watching. All right, let's get into it. Sometimes a pattern will call for a decrease on the wrong side, or the pearls are actually the right side, but you still need to decrease. So I am going to show you how to work both of the pearl decreases. If you want to make this little swatch so that you can follow along with me, here are the instructions. I have knit 2. I am going to purl the first 2. The simplest is the purl 2 together. Simply take the next 2 stitches, purl them together as if they are one. If you normally, when you purl, wrap your yarn this way, then please do that. I have been doing this for a while now. Let's purl 2 together. All right, let's work a yarn over, purl 1, yarn over so that we don't lose that stitch. Purl 1 more and then knit 2. All right, let's knit across this row. You can leave the yarn over open or closed, that is your choice. I left mine open. And we are back to the purl side. And we're going to knit 2. Let's purl 1. This one's a slip, slip, purl. Let's slip the first 2 stitches knitwise. Okay, they are now on the receiving needle. We're going to take the giving needle, go into the back loops. So giving needle goes into the back loops of those 2 slip stitches. Yarn around the needle over whichever direction you go and slide those guys off. All right, let's do that again. Slip the next 2 stitches knitwise individually. Giving needle into the back loop, yarn around the needle to purl, and work the stitch. Yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 2, knit 2. Let's knit across this row, and then we will talk about the stitches. This is a purl 2 together, leans this way, purl 2 together. Here's the slip, slip purls. And I think they lean the same direction. I'm not really sure. There's another one though, another purl decrease. Let's go ahead and work that one. Knit 2, purl 1. I'm going to purl 2 together through the back loop. So receiving needle goes this way into the back loop of the next 2 stitches on the giving needle. Try not to split or catch what's in the front. Yarn around the needle and off. It is awkward. Let's do that again. I like to pull them out a little bit and then hang on to them. Then you can get into them easier. Yarn around the needle, work them off. Yarn over, purl one, yarn over, purl one, two, knit two. Let's knit across and look at it. Right. You can see these guys are definitely leaning this direction. So if you're looking for directionality, purl two together goes this way. Purl two together through the back loop goes this way. And if you just need something to lay differently, then you can always try the slip, slip, purl. As you can see, it lays slightly differently than the knit two together. And in some patterns and projects, it's going to be smoother. This helps you to make an educated decision though. Purl two together and knit two through the back loop. Purl decreases. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please hit the like button. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, you're welcome to leave a comment below or email me, Sarah@azariasfiberarts.com. Happy making!